What's going on, guys? So for today's video, I have planned to go walk around the city. I'm in Providence right now, and we're gonna do some car spotting, photography, automotive photography, maybe some street photography. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm taking you guys along for the ride. Just, you know, low key, straight up just vlog. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so hope you guys like it. And we're just gonna go, you know, do some photography, walk around Prov. So let's see what we got. And I just spotted my first subject. Let's go shoot this, looks like a Audi SUV over there. Let's see if we can get some cool shots of this thing. I honestly forgot how much I miss the city. Like, there's a lot to shoot here. I just got 2 in 1 right now. Beautiful BMW outside this building too, so let's get a couple shots of this thing too as well. Looks like we got another one over here. Got a black SUV. I think it's a Mercedes. Get some cool shots of this thing. It's like literally 30 degrees out right now. It's freezing in Providence, but honestly, I'm getting some awesome shots, so I think it's worth it. I can't complain. It sucks because we did actually have some pretty good weather this week, but right now it's just too cold. Too cold. My mouth is getting numb. I think it's time to go inside in a second and go get a coffee, because you know that has to happen if I'm on a little day trip in Providence. So let's go find a cafe to go get a coffee or something to warm up, because it's getting a little cold. Honestly, my love for street photography has definitely grown a little bit today, because I'm getting some awesome linear patterns, like with those alleyway shots. I'm really loving those things. Those are really sick. So really am excited to see how these things come out later. But not really much cars out today, kind of what I figured, but we'll see how they come out though. Now this is what I'm talking about right here. Oh, this we get the good ones. Oh yeah. Ooh, dude, really? It's not. All right. Ooh, another one. All right, let's get some shots of the city finally. So that concludes today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are here still to the end, honestly, I had an awesome day walking around Providence, freezing my butt off. But you know, I haven't really been to the city in a long time to really take in the architecture around. It's such a beautiful city. I always love coming here. I love the details that you don't really notice when you're just walking around, just like heading to a direction. But having no direction and no place to be and having the free time to walk around, you really do notice a lot more. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and smack the like button if you did enjoy this video. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next one.